Headed out to CAYO Costa today. We've got about 10 knots, roughly dropping down about 6 to 8 with gusting to 10 to 12. So enough to get us out there and back before 2, 3 o'clock. We're gonna be dropping in at essentially Boca Grande at the lighthouse and sailing just across the bay over to CAYO Costa, and then we'll duck into this little tiny inland thing I found. But I'm really excited. It's essentially Gasparilla Island, and I've never been here before. It's a state park, so we'll have to pay a small fee to cross the bridge and then essentially to get into the park itself. But they don't allow trailers, so I threw the laser on top of the car today. So first time I've done this outside of when I bought her down in the Keys. So far she's holding up okay. I couldn't fit the top section of the mast either, so I've got that up there on the left, the carbon fiber upper for a full rig, and then I've got the boom in the lower inside the vehicle. We've got everything we need for this trip, and I'm going to show you guys how I get this laser on and off the car. All right, we'll see you out there. Right here, beautiful Gasparilla Island State Park. This is essentially CAYO Costa behind me. This island right there. We're gonna sail over there, guys. We're gonna go check it out. And pro tip, something I've been seeing with rudders at regattas and kind of other outings that we've been at is a lot of people will wait to do their rudder. And what I mean by that essentially is putting on their tiller extension, tiller in the actual rudder stock itself. Putting it all together, taping it all up, making sure that nothing comes undone during the race, which it has before with me. This has popped off before. So what I'll do is get tape, and I'll go ahead and wrap tape around both the rope pulling in the rudder, and then I'll also do it for the tiller extension. And I'll get it all taped up, and then what you can do is tuck it in like so, and that way when it won't fall out. What I see a lot of times is guys will get out there and then they'll wait, put it all on, when you can literally put it on like that, slide it in the water, put it on and go. And they'll go out there and they'll try to tie it on, pull it tight, all that stuff. So it's just one last thing you need to be thinking about, you know, while you're on the water. Wow, it's so shallow right here. I got to put it on a lean to get the rudder out of the water so we don't ground it out. Oh man, if it starts grounding, I got to get out. It's all of a sudden started coming from behind me. And now we're just kind of surfing a little bit. I think we're good. Oh no, there's another one. The ground. Oh yeah, there's another sandbar. Oh no. Oh no. That's a great way to break your rudder. Oh my gosh. Halfway there. I noticed a lot of boats up there. The wind's kind of dying on us, which is a little concerning because we got to make it back, right?